Hello guys and welcome to another video of Windows 10 tips and tricks. This video is about unzipping a file using WinRAR in Windows 10. Let's move into our first method. Open your zip file. These are my files that I need to open. Click the extract button. Now here you need to mention your destination where you want your files to be extracted. Let's say I choose the desktop. Now press the OK. My zip files are now open to be used as you wish. Let's take another look with our second method. And that's called drag and drop. Simply, select all the files in the zip file, drag them to another window, and drop them. Like here I dropped into the desktop. Now you can open them. This is just an ad for my channel. Yes, you got it right, subscribe it. And don't stop here, there is still another method to open zip files. Go to File, right-click it, and choose any of these three. Let's say, I choose Extract to New Archive. A new folder will be made with my documents inside it. If you choose to extract here, it will put your files in the same folder where the zip file is located. Now if you want to put your files in a specific folder, click Extract Files, with these series of dots. In the following window, choose your destination. Create a new folder, name it appropriately, and after completing all that, press OK. A new folder will be created with your zip files inside it. Thank you guys. I hope this video helped you. Follow our YouTube channel at youtube.com/ScrewSoft channel.